Everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Fashion Shop. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive smart collections only for you. So let me display. This one also very beautiful one. Dhakai Jamdani with applique work, very nice look, same material, same design. Today I have different color only, and this one is white base, a Dhakai Jamdani work, Bengal traditional Dhakai Jamdani with beautiful applique work, very trendy and smart looks. This one is stitch border, applique stitch border, and this one full base part, white base, Dhakai Jamdani weaving butta work with beautiful applique design based for your festival. And this one is all over base without running blouse piece, only sari length. And this one pallu portion, soft one, summer friendly obviously. And this one pallu portions, beautiful applique design, Dhakai Jamdani with applique work, very beautiful and elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive traditional looks. And this one also Dhakai Jamdani, Bengal traditional Dhakai Jamdani, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani with all over work, very trendy and fresh looks. This one full base part, and this portion is border portions, beautiful Dhakai weaving design, highlighted border without running blouse piece, only sari length. And this one full base part, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani butta. And this one is pallu portions, very beautiful contrast color, highlighted Jamdani work pallu. And this one full base part, this portion is border portions, heavy Dhakai Jamdani work border, and all over base part is butta design without running blouse piece, only sari length. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and smart looks, bright also. Beautiful and very nice color combinations, elegant color combinations, Bengal traditional Dhakai Jamdani all over butta work, very trendy and fresh looks based for your festive wear. This one beautiful traditional looks. This portion is border portions, fine Dhakai Jamdani work border, and soft resham Dhakai Jamdani with beautiful fine weaving Dhakai weaving butta work. And this portion is border portions, Dhakai Jamdani without running blouse piece, only sari length, and all over Dhakai work, very trendy looks. And this one pallu portions, beautiful contrast color, hand weaving Dhakai Jamdani, heavy worked pallu, very soft comfortable traditional look, summer friendly also. And I will suggest this silk material mirror work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and traditional looks. And this one also very beautiful one, same material, same pattern, different color combinations, Bengal traditional Dhakai Jamdani all over butta work. And this one border portion, same contrast, same pattern, contrast color, heavy Dhakai Jamdani weaving design border. And this one is all over base, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani all over butta work without running blouse piece, only sari length. And this one pallu portions, highlighted heavy worked pallu, very trendy traditional elegant look. This portion is border portions, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant looks. And this one also same material, different color combinations, very elegant nice color combinations, bright looks. And this one beautiful Dhakai Jamdani heavy worked border. This portion is border portions, Bengal traditional soft resham Dhakai Jamdani. And this one is border portions, heavy worked border. And this one is all over base part, beautiful Dhakai butta design, very trendy and smart looks without running blouse piece, only sari length, all over Dhakai work. And this one pallu portions, beautiful Dhakai Jamdani work pallu, highlighted contrast color stripes. And this one is border portions, very trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. Beautiful smart looks based for your daily wear, office wear, khadi, cotton, silk, very bright looks, contrast border, and this one full base part, very trendy looks, smart trendy looks. This one is full base part, bright color, this portion is contrast border, and this one pallu portions, contrast color pallu, very trendy looks based for your daily wear, office wear. This one is full base part, very soft one, summer friendly, and this one is contrast running blouse piece, and this one is all over base. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant smart daily looks. And this one also in a very bright one, khadi cotton base, checks pattern border design, cut border, very nice looks, bright yellow shade, contrast checks border. This one is full base part, very nice fresh looks. This portion is pallu portions, highlighted contrast color pallu, and this one is all over base, khadi cotton, soft one, summer friendly, checks border design, ikat border, checks pattern, and this portion is middle portions, very trendy look, soft one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is all over base. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one very beautiful one, smart look, silk cotton material, contrast border, all over sequin design, very nice fresh looks, lightweight, comfortable. This one full base part, this portion is border portions, contrast border, and full base part is silk cotton material, fine material with beautiful sequin design, and this portion is pallu portions, highlighted contrast color pallu with sequin work, and this one all over base part, very lightweight, comfortable, trendy, bright looks. This one is border portion, this one is running blouse piece, very beautiful one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy looks. Beautiful one, bright color combinations, purple blue shade, cotton silk material, weaving multicolor polka design, and highlighted weaving border design, temple pattern weaving border design, very trendy and fresh looks. This one border portions, multicolor temple pattern, fine weaving design border, golden saree, and this one is full base part, beautiful multicolor weaving polka design, and this one pallu portions, highlighted contrast color with heavy jamdani work, highlighted pallu, very trendy and fresh looks. And this one full base part, very nice color combinations. This portion is border portions and all over weaving polka design, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very trendy and fresh looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one also in a very beautiful one. Sorry, premium quality, pure handloom, khadi cotton silk material, highlighted weaving border design, and this one full base part, bright color combinations, bright green shade, contrast weaving border. This portion is border portions, fully fine weaving design work border, and all over base part is beautiful one, khadi cotton silk, soft one, and this one is contrast color running blouse piece, and this one is pallu portions, contrast color highlighted pallu, and this one border portions, very trendy and bright looks based for your daily wear, office wear, very smart one. And I will suggest this cotton silk material, self weaving heavy work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive bright looks. And this one also in a bright red shade, premium quality, pure handloom, khadi cotton silk material with a weaving 1-inch temple pattern, fine weaving border design, and mustard yellowish orange shade, very trendy looks. This one border portions, fully fine hand weaving design work border, and all over base part is premium quality, khadi cotton silk texture pattern weaving design, all over base. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, highlighted contrast color pallu, and this one is all over base, very trendy and fresh looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. So in a very beautiful one, premium quality natural fabric lane by lane with golden zari border, very bright trendy looks. This one full base part, very soft, comfortable, summer friendly. This one is border portions golden zari contrast piping, and this one pallu portions highlighted golden zari stripes pattern pallu, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one color combinations, very nice look, soft, summer friendly, premium quality natural fabric lane by lane. And I will suggest this silk material kota weaving contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one also a very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom silk cotton material, golden zari border all over stripes design with beautiful weaving buta work. This one full base part, very soft, comfortable, summer friendly stripes pattern with, and every stripes with weaving buta work, hand weaving. And this one is pallu portions highlighted heavy contrast color with heavy jamdani work pallu, and soft, comfortable, summer friendly. And this one is all over base, half portion is upper portion is stripes pattern, and all over base part is weaving buta design. This portion is border portions, very trendy looks, silk cotton, fine silk cotton. This one is running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. So very beautiful one, very bright color combinations, premium quality pure handloom cotton silk material with feather like weaving design border and middle portions. Very beautiful one. This portion is middle portions, fully feather like weaving checks design, same pattern border design, very trendy and fresh looks, premium quality pure handloom cotton silk with fine weaving checks pattern border design. The portion same pattern, and this one full base part, very trendy and fresh looks, bright color combinations. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is all over piece, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart and fresh looks. And today I have draped a beautiful traditional saree, premium quality soft resham dhakai jamdani base with applique design. This one is beautiful applique work, dhakai jamdani weaving buta work traditional, and this one is fully applique design. Very nice fresh looks, elegant one, beautiful bright saree with jewelry also. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.